Ever felt like learning is either frustratingly basic or overwhelmingly complex? At Roy Academy, we've mastered the art of making learning both simple and powerful. Our secret? A smart, step-by-step approach that makes even the most complicated topics easy to understand. First, we keep it short and sweet. We break down big ideas into bite-sized lessons with summarized content, key highlights, and bullet points that make everything super easy to grasp. No fluff, just the essentials. Next, we add depth. Once you're comfortable with the basics, we dive deeper, giving you more details and a stronger understanding without overwhelming you. Finally, we take you to the expert level. We explore advanced concepts, provide in-depth insights, and sharpen your skills to make you next-level smart. This gradual build-up ensures you learn effectively, stay engaged, and never feel lost. Learning doesn't have to be boring or frustrating. It should be exciting, rewarding, and most importantly, smart. Ready to level up your learning? Hit like and follow Roy Academy for more brain-boosting content.